Hello guys and welcome back to AppWiz. In this video, I will show you how to download Granny 2 in a low-end PC or laptop. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go ahead and open the browser and then type Game Loop Emulator and simply press enter. Now just click on the first link that appears. Once you click on the link, you will land on this page. Here you can just download the emulator. And once downloaded, locate it and then simply open it. It will take some time to download. After that, you can just come over here and click on Install Granny 2, and that's how you can download Granny 2 on PC or laptop. I hope this video helped. If so, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.